Hi there, hope you're doing good. So, yeah, the form is almost complete with some questions. The first question is about the number format, the phone number format. Currently, I'm using this phone number format, which is either containing 7 digits or 10 digits. So it's 111 dash 222 double dash dash double three. So you can let me know which format you prefer, all numbers, or maybe you want a dash in between. So whatever the format you are looking for, I'll make sure that user is inputting that. So I'll put that as an input in here. And as you can see, I have added the conditional formatting with the regular expression so that I can get the proper formatted data number. If you want to leave it open, whatever, if any value can be typed in, I can do that too. Once the numbers are there, you will see that we have responses like this. So I have updated 3 responses, and on the other sheet, data to use, you will see the number of rows, like row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. This is the row number on the response sheet. So if you will select 2 in here, it means you are selecting this row number 2. So this will always show the number of number of rows updated on the other sheet. So if I'll select 2, you can see this all are getting formatted with the result from the row number 2. So on the row number 2, we have the ABC and CDE company. On row number 3, we have new 2 and BlackRock company. So if I'll switch to 3, you will see new 2 and 3. If I'll select on new 4, so you can see this is how it is pulling in the data, and you can simply just copy this blue text, copy in here, go to the Excel file, paste on the second row. That's it. And here it is, the data is here. Similarly, for the other setup, which is this, you can simply click copy on this, go to the Excel file and simply paste it in here. And that is it. So once these are done, you will see all the values getting updated accordingly. I can leave these empty because I have initially used the formulas, the agreement with the, like all of these will be same. Okay, so this is the way how you can copy paste the data from the Google Sheet. So if there will be any another response, maybe response number 3, you just need to copy this, go to the Excel file, click on the second row and paste it, and you have the data in here. This is the only thing which you need to select separately, ground, roof, or whatever the selection is there. So this is also highlighted blue text so that you can identify these are the blue text you need to copy from this Excel sheet, the Google Sheet to the Excel sheet. So yep, I think it's easy. Please do let me know what's your review on it. Thank you.